In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a blog in Notion. We'll keep this simple and practical. You're going to use Notion's built-in template system to get a clean blog structure in just a few clicks and then tailor it to your style. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left of your screen. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This opens your main workspace menu and gives you quick access to the tools we need. If you're in the desktop app or browser, it may show your workspace name. Either way, the arrow reveals the same menu. From that menu, choose Templates. This is Notion's gallery of ready-made setups for pages and databases. It's the fastest way to get a professional-looking blog without building everything from scratch. Once you're in the gallery, make sure you're on the Templates section. Notion sometimes highlights apps or integrations in other tabs, so confirming you're on the Templates area helps you find what you need faster. Now, head to the search bar at the top and type the word blog. This filters the gallery to blog-ready options. Think personal blogs, writing hubs, and content libraries. You can click into a template preview to scan how it's organized. Look for a posts database, tags or categories, dates, and a simple homepage layout. If you want a minimal writing space, pick something lightweight. If you want structure for scheduling and tags, choose one with richer properties. When you find one you like, select the template to open its details. You'll see an option to add it to your workspace. Click Add. Depending on your Notion version, this button may read duplicate or use this template. They all do the same thing, placing a copy in your workspace so you can make it your own. With the template added, it's time to edit. Rename the main page to your blog's title and update the cover image and icon to match your style. Open the posts database and review its properties. Things like publish date, tags, author, and status. You can toggle which properties show in list or gallery views so your blog feels clean and readable. Replace any placeholder text with your own intro, adjust sections you don't need, and personalize the layout by rearranging blocks. If the template includes example posts, use them as a guide and then rewrite them with your topics. A quick tip: edit a copy of a sample post to learn the structure, then duplicate that for consistency. Finally, check that your tags or categories are meaningful for your audience and refine any filters or sorts so recent or featured posts surface first. That's it. Your Notion blog is set up, added and customized, ready for your writing.